This chickpea recipe or chana masala in Indian cuisine is so good and very easy to make on any day of the week. It makes a perfect side dish or a vegetarian meal all by itself. Hey friends, Chef Wainaina, let's go ahead and prep for this delicious dish. The key ingredients for this recipe are chickpeas. I'm using canned. I have an onion, tomato puree, of course salt and pepper, garlic, ginger paste, spices, paprika, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin, turmeric. Peel and puree this onion. Set the onions aside. Open the chickpeas. We'll set the chickpeas aside and save the water. These are low sodium chickpeas. You can actually use dry chickpeas for this recipe. Into the pan, add cooking oil. I'm using avocado. The onion puree goes in. This onion has been cooking for a good 10 minutes. It's starting to turn color and also most of the moisture has evaporated. Add a heaping tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Some tomato paste. Lower the heat just so slightly. Add the spices. Just note I will start with the garam masala, but then I'll just leave some like that much for finishing. Paprika, coriander, cumin, chili powder. I will leave just a tiny bit for finishing with the ghee. Turmeric. Toast these just so slightly. Deglaze the pan with some water to prevent any scorching or burning. Add tomato puree. You can use whole tomatoes here. Put the lid on. Cook off the tomatoes for about 5 minutes or so. Now the chickpeas goes in. The reserved chickpeas water or the aqua faba. Bring everything together. Add water to cover the chickpeas. Season with salt, black pepper, bring to a boil, lower the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. As the chana masala continues to cook, wash a small bunch cilantro and 2 scallions. These greens will make a perfect garnish for our dish. The whites, cilantro, stems, leaves, everything. Maybe just a few of these. The rest mixed with the scallions whites. I've been constantly opening the lid on this dish and check how our chickpeas, the chana masala, is doing, and so far so good. Check for salt. Add in the cilantro and the scallions whites. This dish is about ready. Now squeeze some of these chickpeas at the corner here using the spatula or a spoon. This will just thicken the chana masala. I will let this chana masala finish uncovered just to let this sauce reduce just so slightly. In this small pan, melt about a tablespoon ghee or butter. Once the ghee is hot, add the reserved chili powder. Turn off the heat. Spoon the browned ghee with the chili powder onto the masala. Add the rest of the garam masala. Just taste for the seasoning before we head to the table. Time to enjoy the chana masala. You can enjoy this with some chapati. Get in with your hands or a fork. My hands are just so perfect. This chana masala with this delicious soft layered chapati is so good. Just one more bite. What a delicious chana masala, a recipe that you can do on any day of the week, and definitely you and your family will enjoy. You can have this over some fluffy basmati rice or any side of your choice. All by itself will make a perfect side dish or a meal just as is. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you.